Deep Research AI. Have you ever wasted hours scrolling through endless papers, reports, or articles only to feel overwhelmed and unsure of what truly matters? In 2025, Deep Research AI steps in to solve that problem. This platform is built to speed up and sharpen the entire research process for professionals, researchers, and businesses. Deep Research AI stands out with its contextual document understanding, which means it can process huge amounts of content and pull out the most important insights and data points. Instead of manually reading through dozens of sources, the AI extracts key findings across multiple documents and brings them together in one clear overview. Its AI-powered search can answer even complex questions by scanning scientific papers, business reports, or specialized databases in seconds. Another powerful feature is summarization with accurate citations, perfect for anyone needing quick, yet trustworthy references. Deep Research AI also performs multi-document analysis, comparing and combining information to present a cohesive big picture. For teams, its collaboration tools make it easy to annotate, share, and organize insights. Plus, integrations with Google Scholar, PubMed, AR14, and enterprise systems keep everything connected. With custom alerts, you will not miss new publications or market updates in your field. Whether you are conducting scientific research, analyzing competitors, reviewing legal policies, or preparing investment reports, Deep Research AI cuts down repetitive work so you can focus on making smarter decisions. If you are tired of wasting time on manual searches and scattered notes, Deep Research AI could be your shortcut to faster, sharper insights. Try it and see how much time and stress you can save.